Welcome to cooking well and feeling well at the Adult Down Syndrome Center. I am your host, Jason. On our shows, we learn about fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. Today we are going to learn about the best food group, dairy. Let's welcome the star of our show, Chef Francesca.
Thank you, Jason. Dairy is another part of a healthy plate. Dairy helps us stay strong. What foods are part of the dairy food group?
Foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt are dairy.
That's correct. Not everyone can drink milk or eat cheese. What are foods they can have instead?
They can have foods such as soy milk, almond milk, tofu, and cheese made from nuts or soy.
Perfect. There are many ways to add dairy to your meal. At breakfast, you can add cheese to your eggs. You can have yogurt as a snack. What are some other ways to add dairy to your meal?
You can add cheese to your salad or sandwich for lunch. For dinner, you can have a glass of milk for your meal.
Good job, Danny. Now we have a complete plate. One half of our plate has fruits and veggies. 1/4 of our plate has grains. 1/4 of our plate has protein. And now we have dairy. Danny, why is this important?
Eating the right amount and different kinds of food keep us healthy and help us feel better.
That's right.
We hope you enjoy our show. This is the final show of this season for Cook Well and Feel Well at the Adult Down Syndrome Center. Tune in next season for more tips on healthy eating.